just wanted to show you again what happens in autumn. This bed, you know, the hydrangea paniculata have basically finished flowering, but you can see there's some of them are starting to flower again. And then of course we've got these lovely red grasses in the background to give a bit of winter colour. And the alchemilla mollis down the front here again is flowering for a second time. All we do is deadhead them and then they seem to flower again. Let's just move along because I'll show you this as well. They are. Look at them all in flower. And the interesting thing with alchemilla mollis is if you look at the leaf, see the droplets of water just sit on the top, and I find that absolutely fascinating. It really keeps the plant looking really interesting all through the year. They do die back in the winter a bit, but we just cut the leaf off when it looks a bit tatty, and then off it goes again. So there you are. There's a bit of autumn colour. Let your hydrangeas flower a bit, and look at that lovely. It's gone from creamy white. There was some lime green ones in here, and then they go into this pinky, and yes, they go brown and dry. But what an interesting mix they really are. And then if we just follow through and look at some other plants that are growing really well, I'll give you an idea of those as well. So let's have a look at the containers and how they're planted up as well. I said we'd look at the containers. Again, we're using these lovely red grasses, a bit of burning from the sun, and then the lavenders that have been cut back, keeping your winter colour. But look at those. Rozanne really tumbling over the side of the containers and giving an absolutely fantastic effect. And they will keep flowering well into the autumn, or well into the winter, let me say. And they are well worth growing in containers, in beds. They just give you colour from early summer right through to the autumn. So there, there's an interesting mix as well through there. And then you can see we've used euonymus on the end there. So they are. All together, there's some ideas for planting for you for next year. Rozanne, can't beat it. More information at worldradiogardening.com. Help us grow our YouTube channel. Just hit subscribe.